Hello, my friends. As we know, English has been the most popular language in the world,
Yes, sir.
and English grammar is very much required to speak and write correct English.
Yes, sir.
So, as a reference, we are taking one of the best books, Essential Grammar in Use, published by Cambridge University Press UK. This book is designed for children and elementary students of English to enable them to understand the basic grammar topics. Today, I am going to start unit number 29 and teach you how to use might in our day-to-day life. For example, I might go to Delhi. So, you should listen and watch this video carefully. Okay, well, let us get started now. Unit number 29, Might, Section A. Where are you going for your holidays? I am not sure. I might go to New York. He might go to New York. It means it is possible that he will go to New York. It might rain. It means it is possible that it will rain. Might plus infinitive, might go, might be, might rain, etc. I might be, I might go, I might play, I might come. We might be, we might go, we might play, we might come. You might be, you might go, you might play, you might come. They might be, they might go, they might play, they might come. He might not be, he might not go, he might not play, he might not come. She might not be, she might not go, she might not play, she might not come. It might not be, it might not go, it might not play, it might not come. Section B. I might. It means it is possible that I will. I might go to the cinema this evening, but I am not sure. It means it is possible that I'll go. A. When is Rebecca going to phone you? B. I don't know. She might phone this afternoon. Take an umbrella with you. It might rain. Buy a lottery ticket. You might be lucky. It means perhaps you will be lucky. A. Are you going out tonight? B. I might. It means I might go out. Study the difference. I am playing tennis tomorrow. It's sure. I might play tennis tomorrow. It is not sure. Rebecca is going to phone later. It's sure. Rebecca might phone later. It's not sure. Section C. I might not. It is possible that I'll not. I might not go to work tomorrow. It means it is possible that I'll not go. Sue might not come to the party. It means it is possible that she will not come. Section D. May. You can use may in the same way. I may is equal to I might. I may go to the cinema this evening. Or you can say I might go to the cinema this evening. Sue may not come to the party. You can say Sue might not come to the party. May I? It means is it okay to? Or can I? May I ask a question? It means is it okay to ask? Or can I ask? May I sit here? Yes, of course. Now it's time for exercises. 29.1. Write sentences with might. Number 1. It's possible that I'll go to the cinema. Or you can say, I might go to the cinema. Number 2. It's possible that I'll see you tomorrow. Or you can say, I might see you tomorrow. Number 3. It's possible that Sarah will forget to phone. Or you can say, Sarah might forget to phone. Number 4. It's possible that it will snow today. Or you can say, it might snow today. Number 5. It's possible that I'll be late tonight. Or you can say, I might be late tonight. Write sentences with might not. Number 6. It's possible that Mark will not be here next week. Or you can say, Mark might not be here next week. Number 7. It's possible that I won't have time to go out. Or you can say, I might not have time to go out. 29.2. Somebody is asking you about your plans. You have some ideas, but you are not sure. Choose from the list and write sentences with I might. Fish, go away, Italy, Monday, a new car, taxi. Number 1. Where are you going for your holidays? I am not sure. I might go to Italy. Number 2. What are you doing at the weekend? I don't know. I might go away. Number 3. When will you see Kate again? I am not sure. I might see her on Monday. Number 4. What are you going to have for dinner? I don't know. I might have fish. Number 5. How are you going to get home tonight? I am not sure. I might take a taxi. Number 6. I hear you want some money. What are you going to do with it? I haven't decided yet. I might buy a new car. 29.3. You ask Ben questions about his plans for tomorrow. Sometimes he is sure, but usually he is not sure. Number 1. Are you playing tennis tomorrow? Yes, in the afternoon. Number 2. Are you going out tomorrow evening? Possibly. Number 3. Are you going to get up early? Perhaps. Number 4. Are you working tomorrow? No, I am not. Number 5. Will you be at home tomorrow morning? Maybe. Number 6. Are you going to watch TV? I might. Number 7. Are you going out in the afternoon? Yes, I am. Number 8. Are you going shopping? Perhaps. Now, write about Ben. Use might where necessary. Number 1. He is playing tennis tomorrow afternoon. Number 2. He might go out tomorrow evening. Number 3. He might get up early. Number 4. He is not working tomorrow. Number 5. He might be at home tomorrow morning. Number 6. He might watch TV. Number 7. He is going out in the afternoon. Number 8. He might go shopping. 29.4. Write 3 things that you might do tomorrow. Number 1. I might buy some new clothes. Number 2. I might go out with some friends. Number 3. I might have an egg for breakfast. Now, this is the end of unit number 29. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. I appreciate it. Good luck and happy learning. I'll see you in my next video, unit number 30. Till then, bye bye.